Hi everyone, and warm welcome to my channel where I review items that I find beautiful and useful. And today I want to share a quick unboxing of this beautiful Aspinal of London handbag that has just arrived. And yes, I want to show it to you and share just what I think about it, pros and cons, and what fits, basically that. So let's have a look. So it comes in this dust bag that I've already opened, and it's a tote. It's a big tote, kind of office tote that I've been thinking about for a while, and now it's here. It's an woven leather and very reasonable size, I would say, but it kind of looks a bit bulky now when I think about it. And okay, it's very open. There's a magnet I can see. Let's check. Okay, interesting. That's like first thing I've noticed when unboxing the bag, that the magnet isn't working. It isn't closing the bag. Maybe because it's full. So let's see. But okay, lovely charms. Here's some close-up all around the bag. Beautiful leather, beautifully woven pattern, houndstooth style. Beautiful A on the side. Nice quality handles. It's quite sturdy, this London tote, and quite bulky and very open. Magnetic closure isn't working. That's a pity, but maybe it's because we have some paper inside, so let's remove it and see. So let's see, does it close? 1, 2, 3. It does close when empty. When empty. And hold on. No, it doesn't. It holds like a second, and then you lift the bag, and so it opens. Okay, so let's see how it looks inside. There are 2 compartments separated by 1 zipper pocket. 2 smaller pockets here on the side. Information about how to care for the product. And something about raffia, but this bag isn't made of raffia. What? This is not a raffia bag. This is leather bag. Okay, someone must have misplaced that one. And there's 1 more zipper pocket there, from what I can see. Well, it's obviously a spacious handbag, so let's have a look if my laptop fits. This is a 16-inch, 36 centimeters long and 26 centimeters wide laptop. And it does fit quite perfectly. You can also have some documents, a bottle of water for sure. We can test with mine. It can be standing, it can be on the side, probably even some gym gloves you could fit. Is it heavy? Yes, it is, even with laptop, but that's quite normal for a big bag. But I'm not so glad about the fact that it doesn't really close with the magnetic closure. So this kind of closure would be sitting there, and then otherwise the bag would be like fully open. So yeah, that I haven't thought about. Otherwise it's really beautifully made. Quality materials, quality leather, I can sense. I have another handbag from Aspinal of London, which is also in woven leather, although it is a chevron pattern instead. I will link its review, and that bag is one of my absolute favorites. So I was really tempted to buy another handbag from Aspinal that is woven. But this one, now that I see it, it feels almost like, this tote feels almost like a basket. Well, it's structured, it's beautifully made, but it's not what I expected, because it looks like a box with handles, a kind of boxy feeling I get. I don't think that even other colors or leather combinations would make it better for me. So I think I will be, unfortunately, returning this one. So that was a short unboxing and review this time. I don't know what else to say. Perhaps just some close-ups of the lining. It's a normal, quite light lining. It's not in leather. It's in some synthetic material, as you can see. And the stitching, the woven leather pattern, everything looks really, really beautiful. It's well thought through design for someone who wants a bigger tote, but I don't like that it's so open and boxy, unfortunately, that it doesn't close. So that's in short it, and I hope that it was helpful. And if it was, welcome to explore my other videos, and consider subscribing also if you want to see more of reviews, not only of handbags, but also other things that I buy and consider beautiful and useful. So welcome back, and see you around. Bye for now.